We now move on to the theme of quality. The quality-related terminology used in PRINCE2 is derived from the ISO 9000 standards. While the business case theme provides the justification for doing the project, the quality theme is concerned with the quality of the project and whether or not the project's product is fulfilling the customer's business expectations while adhering to the specifications. The quality theme complements the plans theme. The first purpose is to define and implement the means by which the project will create and verify products that are fit for purpose. Quality theme, being based on the focus of product principle, provides an explicit common understanding of, or focus on, what the project will create. Without product focus, the project will be exposed to several major risks, such as rework, acceptance disputes, uncontrolled change, and customer discontent. Now let's discuss quality approach and the lessons learned. The quality theme approaches quality by implementing continuous improvement during the project. For example, looking for ways to introduce increased efficiency or effectiveness into the management of the project processes. Capturing and acting on lessons learned contributes to the PRINCE2 quality approach by being a As you can see here, there are product-based planning techniques as part of quality planning, as well as quality review techniques as part of quality control. To ensure that the purpose of the quality theme is achieved, there should be quality planning as well as quality control. Quality planning refers to defining the products required of the project with their respective quality criteria, quality methods, and the quality responsibilities of those involved. Quality control fulfills the requirements for quality and identifies ways of eliminating causes of unsatisfactory performance by focusing on the activities and the operational techniques involved in the project. In the starting up a project process, the project manager gathers customers' quality expectations or the initial specifications of the intended product from the senior user or users. The acceptance criteria are a prioritized list of specifications that need to be in the product for it to be acceptable to the customer. The project manager creates the acceptance criteria by refining the customer's quality expectations and documents them in the project product description. It then gets sent for approval to the project board. For example, while designing the engine of a new car for Ford, the customer quality expectations may include good mileage and fast acceleration, whereas the acceptance criteria will include statements such as the car should have a mileage of at least 10 miles per liter and should go from 0 to 100 kilometers under 10 seconds. In the initiating a project process, the project manager prepares the quality management strategy, quality register, and product descriptions for the major products to be produced in the next stage. The product description for each major product will include quality criteria and tolerances, quality methods, and quality responsibilities. The quality criteria and tolerances answer the questions: what quality attributes must the product possess, and what quality measurements will be applied by those inspecting the finished product. For example, if the product is the first page of a website, the quality criteria in the product description for the index page, the first page of the website, may require that the index page should load in under 2 seconds. So, the supplier or the team who is building the specific page should test the index page from various browsers and locations using different internet speeds. The term quality methods refers to the collection of quality activities to be implemented during the development of a product. The quality method or methods to be used for a product depends on the nature of the product. In the quality theme, quality responsibilities refer to defining the producer, reviewer, and approver for the product. For example, if the business case is a product, then the project manager is the producer, project assurance can be the reviewer, and the executive can be the approver. It's important to remember that it may be the case that the reviewer and approver for a product can be the same person. Quality control focuses on the operational techniques and activities used by those involved in the project to fulfill the requirements for quality. As and when quality activities are carried out in a project, they should be recorded. Quality records contain the evidence that planned quality activities have been carried out. Typically, they should include references to quality inspection documentation, such as a test plan or an audit report. Approval records provide evidence that the product has been approved by the customer, whereas quality records provide evidence that each product has met its requirements as specified in its product description. An acceptance record is created when the project is being closed using the closing a project process. It's important to verify and record that the final product has been accepted. PRINCE2 uses the term acceptance to describe the ultimate approval of the project's product. This approval or acceptance is based on the product meeting the acceptance criteria derived from the customer quality expectations gathered in the starting up a project process. Let's have a look at an example in order to understand the difference between customer quality expectations and acceptance criteria. An electronics company, XYZ, wants to enter the mobile phone manufacturing industry. It commissioned a survey to find out customers' expectations for a new smartphone. The project manager has analyzed the survey and finalized customers' quality expectations. Let's say the new phone should have either an Android operating system or Windows operating system. Price has to be reasonable, and it should have a good number of paid apps packaged along with the phone. The screen should be made of Gorilla military glass and should have decent internal memory capacity. The choice of the mobile operating system would be an example of a quality tolerance. Now, let's say it's finally decided that the product will use the following acceptance criteria. The phone will have two variants, one using the Android system and the other is Windows. Let's say it'll be available in 3 colors to start: Pebble Blue, Pearl White, and Midnight Black. The phone is targeted to have a talk time of 14 to 16 hours. The internal memory capacity would be 8 GB with support for an additional 32 GB of external memory. The phone will be priced 10% lower than most popular smartphones in the similar market during the launch. And the phone would have the Gorilla military glass for the screen. Now this brings us to the end of Module 6, where we've discussed the quality theme in our PRINCE2 Foundation course. I look forward to seeing you in Module 7, where we discuss the theme of plans.